and welcome back to another beautiful day here in New York. So I just put the awning out in the camper for a little bit. And actually, speaking of the firehouse yesterday, I actually just saw the fire truck, so the firehouse that I'm applying for, I just saw those fire trucks go by. And the firehouse is actually right back there through those woods. So, it's close. I was in my bed and I heard the fire alarms go off. I'm like, yeah, that's gonna be me having to jump out of bed and go to a fire in a few months. That's crazy, bro. I hear the fire trucks too. They must be backing up into the garage. I just saw them go by. They have beautiful fire trucks. Brand new too. I think they just got new ones. And I'll be riding in them, yo. My parents, you know, they didn't say nothing when I said I wanted to be a volunteer firefighter. They were like, okay, here's the application for the house. Sweet. So yeah, I have the hose going right now, filling up our pool a little bit. The rain last night didn't help much. So yeah, it definitely rained because everything was wet. Actually, maybe it didn't rain. Yes, it did, because I was awake in the rain. Damn, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and make yesterday's vlog public. Boom. So guys, if you haven't already seen yesterday's vlog, make sure you go to the video, watch it, and give it a thumbs up for free candy. Y'all! We're putting dirt on the side of our driveway tonight. Yurt. Oh wow, they made it to the back already? Dope. Hi, Phoenix. Phoenix, we're getting a puppy. Just kidding, we don't know yet. I love one, but... Matthew, say cheese. Say cheese, I just want to take your picture from my yearbook. What do you think you're doing? Lazy. Alec is so lazy. Yeah, guys, so I'm not working hard today. I do all the work around here, so let them do something. I was out there earlier. I've been up since 6:30 this morning, bro, and I didn't go to bed till after midnight, so I'm exhausted. I had to chug down some coffee today because I don't go to the movies until 4 o'clock, so I don't want to be falling asleep during my movie. And I still got to take a shower because I decided I'll go outside, do the work that I have to do outside, and then take a shower so I don't smell like compost because the dirt we're using is compost. And oh my god, I'm talking really fast right now and saying a lot. And I just want to freaking fill out my application too for the freaking fire department, get that done, and get my life started. Here we go. Yeah guys, I don't know if some of you guys missed that yesterday or if I forgot to put it in the vlog, but I'm pretty sure I did. I'm applying to be a volunteer firefighter over here at the firehouse. I think it did make it into the vlog yesterday. I recorded it. I'm pretty sure I put it in there, but nobody said anything about it, so... I guess that means you guys don't have anything to say about it. Guys, what is up? Good morning. It is currently 7 o'clock a.m. and I just decided to come outside and enjoy the sun. Yesterday we did a lot of work, so I didn't vlog much, but we finished putting the dirt along the edges of the driveway. And now the next step is we have to plant some grass. Of course, the day we open the pool, we're going to open our pool today. Of course, the day we're going to open our pool, it's only 46 degrees out today. This morning, 7 o'clock. Birds keep building nests. Guys, let me say something. These stupid birds keep building nests right here in our hedge, and they somehow still got back there. Freaking serious, bro? Oh my god. How? Bruh. How do they get back there? Wow. Kidding me? I was outsmarted by a bird. This time I'm not saving their eggs. I'll break their damn eggs. They fucking packed. Look at this. They broke the freaking brake line. Fucking birds. Wait till my dad sees that. We're gonna have to do something about that. Yo, if there's anybody watching this video and they're camper owners, and anybody knows anything that I could do, like if there's a cover for that hitch or something that I can get, let me know. Because these birds are really starting to piss us off. Getting inside our hitch and stuff. That's the third time. Yesterday I took their nest out and I moved it. I don't know if they found it. The winds might have... They might have. Because I don't see it now. Oh, no, there it is right here. Their eggs are gone. Alright, their eggs are gone, so I'll take my hay back. Thanks, you stupid fucks. No, there's one of them right there. Both of them, no! I feel so bad now. There's the yolk. That sucks ass. Oh well. Damn it. Dang, bro. Maybe I'll just upload this video today. Current day. So I can start a new vlog and upload again tomorrow. That's what I'll do. Squirrels. Alrighty guys, if you guys like this video, drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.